Today I want to show you the profile page of our Clodify system. What interesting information you have in profile page, what can you edit, and what can you add. So we will log in as an admin today. We need to go to my account profile page. So here we can see all information of our profile, of of the user, of our user, account details like general, photos, sign, and projects. First, here we can see the general information like our name, user role, when we joined the Skynix system. Also, when we last time logged in our account in Clodify system, and also available vacation days. Here we can see that there is no available days. There were 18, but John has already used all of them. Also, we can see such information about our reports. So here we can see that today we did not report any time as well as this week, and this month we reported 8 hours 15 minutes. So this was the general information of our account. Also we can see the account details, like we can change our first name, last name, and phone. We can also add our skills here and add some information about us, about John, for example. Then in photo section we can delete this photo like we have here and change. If we don't have any of the photos, we can add if you want or not. And sign, we can change the sign, like here we don't have any sign, so we can add one. And projects, in project section we can see the projects where we were added, so where we are working. So it means then that John Doe was added to all of these projects. He is working on all of these projects. So this is the all information of profile, of our profile, like some general information, some account details, photo, sign, and projects. That is all for today.